is Spies, and today I will be talking to you about the Kolbinsi Ridge right above Iceland. A place with high seismic activity, the Kolbinsi Ridge is a mid-ocean ridge above Iceland. It is very slow spreading, only 10 millimeters a year. There are 3 segments to the ridge, a southern section, northern section, and central section. These segments exist because seismic activity clusters around these areas. This feature is a highly active seismic rift zone with volcanoes both underwater and above. I actually found this location to be interesting in terms of biology because compared to a lot of other high temperature hydrothermal sites and everything underwater, the Kolbinsi Ridge has a lot less macro and meiofauna. They just have microfauna majority, which I found pretty interesting to me. Although researchers mostly found microfauna, they did find hydroid polyps and some sponges. Another important discovery at this site was the discovery of Nanoarchaeum equitans, an archaeal microorganism containing the world's smallest known genome. These creatures have actually been proposed to be the first species in a whole new phylum. These Nanoarchaeum equitans are definitely the most interesting creatures around this feature. Although these microorganisms were discovered in 2002, we still don't know where they get their energy from, as they're unable to metabolize hydrogen and sulfur for energy. We still are unsure if they get their energy from biological molecules imported or ATP directly. Another interesting thing genetically about these Nanoarchaeum is that its 16S RNA sequence is undetectable by most common methods. This led to the discovery that it does have the smallest genome protein coding, 491 kpb and 536 protein coding genes. Before, the organism with the smallest genome was known as the Mycoplasma genitalium. After doing more research on these organisms, scientists have learned quite a bit more about them. They're unable to sequence most nucleotides, amino acids, lipids, and cofactors. The cells most likely obtain these from Ignacus, which is a genus of archaea living in marine hydrothermal vents. These guys are known as parasitic microbes, and unlike a lot of parasitic microbes, these guys are actually able to have DNA repair enzymes as well as everything that's necessary to carry out DNA replication, translation, and transcription. For this video log, I used my iPhone to film as well as find images and record audio voiceovers, and then I used iMovie to edit. Thanks for watching my Leg 3 video podcast for Sail the High Spies, our semester project for SMS 374 Deep Sea Bio. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Kolbinsi Ridge and Nanoarchaea equitans with me.